Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mo Love, and I'm back with another video. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone had a nice Halloween. I had a nice time. Hope everyone's doing good and enjoying this fall weather. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Monica. You can call me Mo. On this channel, I do a lot of plus size try-on hauls, thrifting, and some wig reviews. Is that some content that you'll be interested in? Go ahead and subscribe. Join the crew. We'd love to have you. And to all my returning subscribers, hey y'all, welcome back. Thanks for coming back to check your girl out. As y'all can see by the title, I will be doing a wig review. I haven't did one in a while, but I'm gonna do this review on my newfound favorite hairstyle to wear that's so easy. The wavy hair, the wet and wavy hair, water wave. And this one is going to be a 4x4 closure. So if y'all would like to get into the details, y'all stick around. All right, the name of the company is called Eternal Loveliness. I got it off of Amazon. It came from Amazon. It came in a package like this, Remy hair on it. And I did receive a wig cap. It has it has two wig caps in this package, which was nice. And then I also got a pair of cute lashes. These are cute. And a little card giving you some information on the wig, saying that it's 100% human hair, Brazilian hair. Yeah, just giving you a little information saying that you can dye it, bleach it, perm it. So yeah, they give you a little card with some information. And it came in a package like this. And it's a 20-inch. It's 20 inches. That's the length. This is the wig straight out the packaging. It has a hairnet on it. I'll go ahead and take that off. And it came with a little paper inside. And this is how she's looking. It's a water wave Brazilian wig, 20 inches. 150% density, so it's not too thick, but it's thick enough. This is how it looks in the front. Like I said, it's a 4x4, so there isn't that much lace, just lace at the top. Pre-plucked, and if you wanted to, you can go in and pluck it. I might pluck it the part a little more. This is how it looks in the inside. This is the inside of it. There's one comb in the back. And it looks like that's the only comb. Yeah, that's the only comb. They only have that one comb in the back. They do have the straps, the adjustable straps on both sides. And the lace is a nice color. I will not be bleaching the knots. I will just put a little got to be on because I don't wear my wigs for a long period of time. I usually take them off after a night. So yeah, this is how she's looking. The curls are pretty soft. Very pretty curls. Body, she got a body to her. Yeah, that's how she's looking. Alright, so I'll go ahead and start the installation of it. And like I said, I'm going to do the glueless method. I'm going to just use a little got to be to put her down. Alright, let's go ahead and get her on. Okay, this is how she looks straight out the packaging. This is her in her natural state. I haven't did anything to her. She's pretty. I love the curl pattern. It comes at a very nice length. I love the length of it. And this is how the part is looking. I haven't plucked anything. Nothing like that. I haven't cut the lace. I just put it on straight out the packaging. This is how she's looking. I like her. The curls the hair is very soft. It's very pretty. I can wear this wet or dry. So that's why this is like my new favorite style because it is so convenient. You don't have to worry about curling your hair. You can straighten it if you would like. Yeah, you can straighten this hair. And I like that it also has layers. So I don't even have to cut any layers from my face. So I love that. So yes, you guys. So alright, since I'm not going to bleach the knots or anything, I'm going to go ahead and take it off. Spray it with some of this Eben tinted lace spray. I'm gonna spray some of that on it and dry it, or blow dry it a little bit. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that and be right back, you guys. Alright, you guys, so yeah, I went ahead and sprayed that down, and I am no way near a professional. I'm just doing little tricks, you know, that I've learned from my daughter and watching other YouTubers. So I'm just putting it on the best way I know how. You know, it's a learning process. Anything to avoid, have to go, you know, sit in the beauty salon. If you can do it yourself, baby, do it. Do it. It might not be perfect, but hey, it's gonna be on there. But anyway, what I'm gonna do is go ahead. I don't think it need to be plucked too much. It looks pretty good like it is, so I'm not even gonna pluck it too much. And like I say, I usually put my wig on and take it off the same night, so I'm not gonna put it down too good. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with good old got to be. And my mirror is right here, so I'm going to be looking over here, you guys. So I'm putting it on. So I'm going to go ahead and spray the little got to be and just stick it down a little bit. Cut the lace, and we're going to be done. Let's see. is how she's looking. And like I said, I love how they cut the layers in the front. Now you can wear it like this or you can wet it up, but I kind of like the loose, wavy, beachy curls. I probably won't. I might just put a little water. Yeah, I'll just put a little water so you guys can see how it looks with water. And it's so soft. I haven't had any shedding. Just a little bit where I plucked it a little bit. And that's just that shed that I hear from when I plucked it. But it's so soft. I absolutely love it. It's not too thick, but it's thick enough. It's a nice density to me. I love it. It's so soft. And like I say, it's just like an everyday type of wig, a throw on. Put your little got to be if you would like. You don't even have to put it on there. And I did, you know, just a little baby hairs, nothing too major. But it's very affordable. I got it off of Amazon. Again, the company is Eternal Loveliness. And if you have Prime, Amazon Prime, you can get it in 3 days. Yeah, so mine came pretty quickly. This is how it looks in the bag. I love the length. The length is nice. It is so soft. No tangling. Like I said, if you really wanted to get that wet look, you can wet it up real good. And then put a little, I would advise this to put a little mousse if you want to keep that wet look to it. But I absolutely love it. It is so cute. I love the layers because normally I would probably have to cut a little. But it's cut already to frame your face. Very pretty, you guys. So I will have everything linked for this unit. 150% density. Eternal Loveliness is the brand name. It's on Amazon. Everything will be linked in the description box. So if you're interested in this unit, you guys, I would advise you to check my description. Check my description box. Everything will be linked in the description box. But yes, if you like me, you like something that's quick and easy, throw on and go, and still cute. And this is the length again. Let me put my chair up a little. All right. Yeah, this is how it looks in the bag. That's the length. Nice length. The density is nice. It's very soft, curly. I absolutely love it. It's a water wave. Oh yes, you guys, but I'm still learning, you know, my little baby hairs and everything. But I think I did good. And like I say, this is like the perfect beginner wig because you don't have to do a lot of plucking. You don't have to bleach the knots if you didn't want to. If you did want to, you could. But yes, you guys, this is a very nice, easy, but beautiful, beautiful wig. I absolutely love it. All right, you guys, so that will be the end of the video. I want to thank everyone for watching. Like I said, if you have not subscribed, what you waiting on, girl? Go ahead and hit that button because your girl will be bringing you some more try on hauls, some more wig reviews, and I'm going to be doing a styling video right after this. So you do not want to miss it, girl. You don't want to miss it. Hit the subscribe button. Hit that little bell right there on the side. Ding, ding. Hit that little bell so you'll be notified when I do upload, you guys. So thank everyone for watching, subscribing. Thank you for your love and support. That will be the end of the video. But until the next one, love y'all. Bye-bye.